to you.
I will make you a happy wife. Everything will be okay with us.
I know you will.
Welcome my wife to Owundu, your new home.
And so, Inena became a wife, ushered into a home of beauty, peace, and endless comfort. Every corner she turned revealed wonder. Every breath she took felt like freedom. Yet, deep within her heart, a quiet unease lingered. Days rolled into weeks. Weeks melted into months. And slowly, time began its silent journey. Until one full year had passed, and fate prepared to awaken what had long been hidden.
So it is true. I am pregnant now. I can't wait for Ibuka to come back.
Hello, my wife. I'm back. Are you home?